The Parliament and state legislature both are authorized to regulate these provisions. Good morning, aspirants. Now we are going to see the constitutional provisions related to High Courts. Okay, all the constitutional provisions. In High Court, we these articles were included for the High Court part. That is article number 214 to 231. Okay, this article refers to High Court. Okay, and this is in the part 6 of the Indian Constitution that deals with the provisions related to the High Court. Constitutional provisions mentioned under these articles deal with what is the organization of the High Court, what is the independence of the High Court, jurisprudence, what is the jurisdictions, powers, and procedures of High Court, like how High Court works. Okay, the Parliament and state legislature both are authorized to regulate these provisions. After that, we can see what is the territorial jurisdiction of High Court, like at which extent High Court will prevail. Okay, the Constitution of India provides a High Court for each state. For each state, we have one High Court. Okay. However, the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1956 authorized the Parliament to establish a common High Court for 2 or more states. Okay, or for 2 or more states and a UT also. Like we have the common High Court system also for 2 or more states, like those states who have small territory. For that, we have common one High Court only. For example, the UT of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have the common High Court. After that, we can see the territorial jurisdiction of High Court is co-terminus with the territory of the state. Like state की जितनी territory है, वहीं तक उस हाई कोर्ट की टेरिटरी रहेगी कि वहां के सारे लोग वहां पे जा सकते हैं. ओके, whatever for their cases and all. Territorial jurisdiction of common High Court is co-terminus with the territory of a state as well as the UT. The Parliament can extend the jurisdiction of High Court to any UT or exclude the jurisdiction of High Court from any UT. Okay. Parliament has the power to extend the jurisdiction of High Court, or even to remove also some areas, some territories from that. So for that, who can remove or exclude the territory of High Court, who can demarcate the territory of High Court, that will be the Parliament only. So like in MCQ, in prelims, this question will be asked. Okay. After that, what is the composition of judges of High Court? The Constitution does not specify the strength of High Court, and it's left to the discretion of the President and not the Parliament. So, keep in mind, it will live at the discretion of the President, not the Parliament. Thus, every High Court consists of Chief Justice and such other judges that are determined by the President. The President determines the strength of High Court from time to time, depending upon the workload of the High Court. The President will determine the strength. Like in High Court, how many judges will sit? Strength will be determined by the President. Okay? That strength will be determined by the President only. That will be only discretion of the Parliament. And in this, like Chief Justice and other judges, all will be included. After that, thank you. We will proceed for this PPT again.